Hey, how's it going? So today we're going to show you how to put together your beams when we ship them for the modern slants. So first off, let's take a look at our parts. You need to understand there's two different types of beams. Well, actually three, but two different styles of the way they're put together. Our truss beams are going to be joined together with glue to make a nice solid foundation so it can hold weight in the middle. And then our gable beams are actually going to rely on the strength of the gable itself, so we don't need to worry about that seam as much. So these are cut a little differently. So we're going to show you how to do both. Here's some parts you're going to make sure you have available to you. You want to make sure you have a tape measure. You'll want to get out your 2.5-inch torque head screws. These are a T20 tip. You also want to get out your 5-inch T25 screws. This is a little bit larger head. You'll get some wood glue sent out. This is a Type on 3. This is a waterproof glue. It's okay to get wet, not going to cause a problem. This is one of the blocks that we'll use. We'll get to that and show you what that looks like. But just so you pull it out, it has that little angle in it. You're going to need a pre-drill with an drill with an 1/8-inch pre-drill bit, and your impact or a drill for screwing in with your T20 and the T25. Also, good idea to have a clamp, and I really do recommend having a buddy to help you with this. So I typically think this is a 2-person gig. These will come to you pre-built. You'll see them. We're just going to do one right now, and we'll do a separate video here in a second to show you how it is. But we've pre-set up everywhere you have to put everything, so it makes life a lot easier for you at home. All right, next video is going to be how we put the truss together. Thanks.